my beautiful people. We just arrived at the plot we have directly opposite Golf Estate here in Port Harcourt, River State, Nigeria. Okay, we just arrived at this plot right now. I need you to call me quickly, yo. Are you seeing these buildings? I'm going to be showing you Golf Estate. Almighty Golf Estate in Port Harcourt. Are you seeing that all the plots here are fenced already? Can you see? Can you see? These plots are fenced, and last week we sold some of them. Okay, I'm going to be showing you the ones that are available so that you can just call me 0903429651 so that you can get your own plot. I see they hot, the thing they sweet me for body. Remember I said that Madam Pekle Africa, I don't come with better ogbonge plots. So this one is just 30 million naira. You dey hear me? So if you don't get 30 million naira, you'll buy New Banana Island for 6 million naira only. Remember, say we want increase the price, so make you sharply call Madam Good News on 0903429651 and get your own plot. You dey feel me? Yes, can you see all these plots? Are you seeing them? People already living here. You want to join the millionaires of Port Harcourt, then you need a plot right here, directly opposite Golf Estate. Come, let me show you Golf Estate. Maybe you are not seeing it. I'll show you Golf Estate, okay? So I'm waiting for you.